So beneath us lies the Stellenbosch University Library. At present there is an engineering workshop happening, and at this workshop Preeva has made a partnership with the Stellenbosch SRC which allows NSFAS students to go for free, and we're really pushing to get free access to as many people who can't afford it as possible to these workshops.
The SRC is linked up with us now, and we've done 2 first-year engineering workshops this week. We got 30 NSFAS students in for free.
I mean, the general consensus amongst the students was that they were very happy with the workshop.
Preeva, access and success.
What's up?
Preeva!
AX times DX, we use this formula.
Having to go through the whole textbook, there's not enough time for that, so it really helps me. At the end of those 3 hours, you leave knowing quite a lot, like a whole semester's work in 3 hours. That's very beneficial.
It was almost like a recap session for me, so it really helped me as well, and I would really recommend anybody to come to these tutor classes, as it was helpful for me. It will also be helpful to others.
Really enjoyed how they went through the main key concepts, the base, and now it also doesn't waste so much time that we already have the notes. We can just start immediately with the practical work. It was a great help, and I will definitely come to more.
You'll be fine.